What's up, y'all? Fab Guy here. Got some requests for a video on how to do a double shear for a Pitman arm, and here it is. Pretty straightforward. I made sure my socket fit on here so I can take that off, and the puller will fit on there no problem. And the proper way to do this is to take that off and weld that up. Pitman arm is made out of cast steel. This is just, I think, 1/8" plate, trying to keep it kind of light. You can see there's a little doubler gusset on the bottom there to thicken up that material. The bolt is shouldered, so 3.5" shoulder, and then I cut the bolt off so that there's no threads in the boss here. Bolt is completely shouldered, 2" spacing, inside diameter, Heim misalignment. It's a 7/8 Heim with a C-lock crush nut on there. And got it all TIG welded up. And actually this is cool too. So this is a stock drop Pitman arm, and I added a 3/8 washer here and a 3/8, they're both chromoly 4130 washer to thicken up that material that the bolt goes through. So it's actually 3/8 dropped, which is helpful. I needed a little bit of drop. It's perfectly in line with my track bar there. Here's another one. This one's actually a ZJ. I just made this one off the car originally, just to have a little fun. Same thing, I put a 3/8 boss on the top just to thicken up how much material is available for that bolt to go through. You can kind of see it's welded up there. This is a 3/4 drop. I didn't weld anything underneath, I don't think. No, I did not. So this is just the stock 3/4 drop ZJ Pitman arm. But for those of you with the taller lift, you may need something like that. You can see it's definitely lower. My concern was, because my front end is stretched about almost 2 inches, clearance becomes pretty tight right here from the tie rod. I used to have the bent tie rod, now I have the straight one. Depending on how much up travel you have, that packaging gets tight. That's why I have the bolt that way, which if the nut comes off, yes, the bolt could fall through. It should be safety wired, but anyways, no problems. So there you go, guys. Just a suggestion to double shear this, because there is a lot of force and it will wobble out this hole, especially if you don't have washers welded on there. That could be something else you could do, is just weld the washers on there for those of you who have the crossover steering, just a single shear. Was definitely going to wear that out. I mean, I had it single sheared for a while, and I was like, wow, it was already chewing that up and chewing the bolt up and bending the bolt. So do it right, do it once. Over and out.